Ooh. Okay, so I ran into a little bug. Memory management type of thing. I think the garbage collector is too slow for this. Um, for this. Yeah, now I'm using like 1 gigabyte of memory. Let's give it some time. Let's see if the garbage collector does anything. I'm still 1 gigabyte in. So the garbage collector doesn't do anything to help. Okay, so I think I've come to the conclusion that this, whatever I'm doing now, while it could work, it's not good enough. It's also like limited. Like I'm trying to do some computations directly on the graphics card, but like I'm given some really big limitations on what I can do. So I think it's time to just scrap that idea, even though I can see that it could work. Okay. So I need something, a concept, something I can give a name to. Whatever that thing is, it has the concept of a seed. A seed can be either a point or a shape, rectangle. And whatever that thing has, it can have many seeds actually. It can have one or many seeds. Okay, so whatever that thing is, it can have one or many seeds. And a seed has a seed can have a mask. And a mask seed, so a seed is either a point or a rectangle, and it can have a mask or aka a line. Mast. Mask. So I could call that like a growth. That's a growth. A growth starts from a seed, whatever it is. Man, that seems to work. Let's just check if the game runs. It doesn't. Alright. Hey, Tinkelum. How are you doing? I'm in this sort of no man's land right now, where like I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing, but I know I'll get there. Like I have this sort of weird design, and this thing is gonna solve levels somehow. I'm going good though. It's so nice outside too today. Like there's no clouds, and I think it's 20 degrees. Yeah. I mean, I think a lot of, like, at least those that are interested in that, like, look at that. This is a really nice day. 21. Feels like 18, so I guess there's a lot of wind. Where's the wind? They say cloudy, but there's no clouds at all. And like tomorrow it goes up to 25. Wow. Like this week is gonna be really good. Yeah, I actually, when I wasn't streaming, that's what I did. I would go outside in a park. That's what I did pretty much every day. And I took notes. Yeah, they're all in my bag. But like I wrote like algorithms on paper instead of on screen. Do I draw? A bit. Like I'm not that good. Like digitally, this is like the type of thing that I can draw. Like those are like environment experiments, like just trying stuff. Like you can see like the early stuff. There's like abstract stuff. More abstract drawings. These are some early, yeah, when I was testing ideas. What's the date on that? This is, oh, this is February, so it's not that long ago. I'm surprised I didn't render those out. There's a bunch of stuff I did put online on my art station. Oh, this is actually not. This is similar to what I have right now. So I spent like a couple minutes, I guess, on that. I guess the better stuff that I post are these. These things. Environment design. This is actually an idea I didn't throw out just yet. The idea that when you're playing the game, you're actually going around a circle. So when you finish the last level, you end up back at the start. And then you could walk and go to a different area. So like I could divide by my levels in sections. And then you can go to, like when you beat a section, you can go to the next one. This one here, yeah, those are just like stuff with testings. I did like this one. You might have seen that one before, where it's just like black and white, trying with the. This was before I had an artist. These ones. I mean, like this isn't too bad. Like back then I didn't even think about integrating all this sort of design with the level, which is what it, like when the other guy drew this, like that's like that just blew my mind. Like you went from this into like this, where it's just like completely immersive. Like this is a step like I'm right here, I'm like, oh, I'm drawing this, it's like really good, whatever. And then he comes with that. There's some even earlier stuff like that. Yeah. I mean, my thing wasn't that bad. But like it's not even close what he just did there. And like this isn't even finished. Like you can see there's a bunch of places that are just rough. But already like this brings the game to a completely other level. Like this is what I had, like a bunch of pathways going down. Like this one is another one. But like when people see that, like the first reaction is like, oh, that's a lazy game dev. Like I mean, it's not bad, but like, would you play this game, or would you rather play this? I think I'd rather play this. This one I drew on stream. It's not too bad. And this sort of rock structure with moss and I mean yeah, that's sort of good, but yeah, I can draw like those sort of weird landscapes. Like I could probably put another 1 or 2 hours on this and it might look even better. So I can sort of draw stuff. Like that. So like this is probably my best one when it comes to creating like a world. Like this is like you have a pathway going into the depth all the way down there. You have like some really big thing down there. Little guy walking with some sort of lighting. But yeah, like this right here is like crazy good. Yeah, a Cyclops panda. Like even like used a bit of what I did, like with that for example. Like the little main character is like a little round thing, and I know it's an alien with sort of bug-like things. Obviously, like this is not really the final thing. It's probably gonna be different, but it's still really cool. Like he managed to make whatever I was doing 3D, and it's looking like really good. Like it pops out of the painting, whatever that little flea, I guess, whatever that thing is. It's now real. Like right here, this isn't real. Now this is real. Yeah, I'll be right back. It might take like 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay. So this is what I'm creating, some object that I call a growth. And then there's gonna be a seed point rectangle with the concept of a mask. A mask is associated to the seed. Okay, let's start with that. Growth. Let's just wait before I do that. Succeeded, perfect. Movement. Got rid of bitmap. Solver. Now I can create my growth. Okay. Succeeded. Goal. What is a growth? What does it do? How does it help me? Goal. That's it. It's a shape that grows over time. Oh, I hate this. Every single letter triggers. I actually reactivated the option so that it does that. It's kind of annoying a bit. It's a shape that grows over time. Similar to a function. parts. Okay, so the space does it. It's a shape that grows over time. Similar to a function, it can be defined by parts. It starts somewhere and grows. Where it starts is this seed. Public. Okay, so it has something. I'm gonna comment that out. It has a seed, a list of seed. Seeds, that's it. And a seed, okay, so I guess it's called a growth seed. Growth seed. So I need a growth seed. Growth seed circle. Growth seed rect. Try to start with that. Cool, what am I doing? Abstract shape. Okay, I guess it's time to turn that off. It's too annoying. Settings. Comments. False. There you go. I actually need to learn this. That's a nice touch. Okay, that works. Abstract. Sealed classes. Classes member. The abstract keyword enables you to create classes and class members that are incomplete and must be implemented in a derived class. This is what I'm doing. The sealed keyword enables you to prevent the So I do abstract class A. abstract by putting the keyword. Cannot be instantiated. The purpose of an abstract class is to provide a common definition of a base class. Yeah, exactly. For example, a class library method. An abstract class that is used as a parameter to many of its functions. Abstract methods. Abstract before the return. So I'm required to do this. Class D. No implementation, so the method by semicolon. Instead of a normal method block, derive classes of the abstract methods. Wait. Derive classes of the abstract class must implement all abstract methods. I forgot what virtual means actually. I wish I could like remove this. I would like a toggle. Okay, so you're not forced. Remark wonder. Okay, that's cool. F implementing. So what do they mean by that? Abstract methods have no implementation. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, I understand that. That's very cool. Sealed. What is sealed? Classes can be declared as sealed by putting the keyword sealed before the class definition. Sealed. What is that? When applied to a class, the sealed modifier prevents other classes from inheriting from it. Huh. Oh yeah, this is like really funny because it's like programmers trying to control each other's. It's like you're so dumb that I need to seal something. Hey Topaz, yeah, long time. Oh. How are you doing? So in other words, abstract class growth seed. I don't remember the last time you were here, but it's likely that I'm not even sure if I was working on this game, was I? Because this is what I have now. And the music you're hearing is the current in progress music that's being worked on. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, okay, so yeah, things has changed. The game looks like this now, I'll show you. Dun, dun, dun. So the game is playable. Now I'm doing a lot of quality of life changes. Well, the build time is long. Dun, dun. Oh, it did not work. What happened? The content file was not found. Yeah, because I deleted it. Dun, dun, dun. Wait a second. Oh, never mind. Yeah, that's because I'm still trying to load it from my load. Yeah. Loading movement shader. Yeah, I'm trying to load a file that doesn't exist anymore. There you go. I'm gonna add that in. shader. I'm not sure if that's how you write it, but I don't really care. Okay. Okay, let's go. How much stuff did I write? I have a lot of files. As you can see, there's a lot of code. Okay, so this is the game. The current, like, don't mind the graphics or anything. So the goal of the game, if you don't already know, it's to cross over to the next level. So you're presented with a pattern, and you need to figure out how to cross, how to keep moving forward. So I already know how to beat the game, but normally you just sit here and try to analyze this, try to notice the little like where you can stand. Then when you figure it out, then it's just a matter of mechanics. Oops. Yeah, so well, I mean, at the core it's still a bunch of rectangles. It's just that now there's a texture, and I also put a background, so there's a sort of background that's moving as I move. Obviously, like, those are just like random brush strokes. Eventually I'm gonna have an actual background with like and foreground, like, of stuff moving. This makes the game feel alive. Yeah. Now, like, I can create a level very easily. Like, I can do this easily, and then boop, and then a new level is created. Oh, what? So you just need to go back and forth for this one. Ah, shit. What? I'm going too fast. Ah. Get hit by the corner. Anyway, so it's very easy to, and I also have, like, now the pathfinder where I can just go around objects. So it's very easy to just, like, have like a path. All very nice stuff. I need to re-enable something. The anti-aliasing. On Steam incoming. I don't think I'll go on early access. I mean, I could, but I kind of want to release the game when it's done, and not like I've gotten sick of early access games. After I bought a couple ones and they ended up going into limbo development. So I'm sort of allergic to early development. Maybe I'll change my mind later, but... Oh yeah, this is the shortcut. This one has a shortcut too. Yeah, so the game is coming along. Now I'm creating this sort of thing where it's able to figure out how, if a level is possible to beat. So if it's possible, the white can reach the end. Exactly. The white symbols, so I don't know where the player is, but I know he's somewhere in this white area. That's pretty much what it means. I know he starts there, and then after a certain amount of time, I can start to find where he is. But I know for sure that he can be where the white is. I just don't know where he is. I just put a space or no space. I kind of like it like that. They put a space. Maybe I should put a space then. Okay, is public abstract boolean kind of want that function. Right. Yeah, good. So now there's an error. Error, perfect. Public void. Oops, no, never mind. Grow. Dun, dun. Can't type. Okay. Public override. Wait, is that how I'm supposed to do it? Do work. Public is in. That's how you do it. Return false. You're right, aren't you? So far, just by habit, I always use boolean. Maybe I should just call it bool. Not implemented exception. That's funny. Do I change that? My habit to bool. I think I should. Boolean feels like official. I mean, there's no difference whatsoever between the two, I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing. System boolean. System boolean. Yeah, it's the exact same library, same everything. But one is shorter, so might as well use that. Okay. He's inside. For now, I'm just gonna return false. Actually, it's not that bad to return an exception. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm about to go too, I think. It's already 5:56. I streamed late today, but it's like such a good day today, so it's harder to work. Like the sun is so bright and there's no clouds. Okay, now that I understand what an abstract class is, point, rect, I need a mask. So I'm guessing I'm allowed to have a public. a restriction. Public list of restriction. So I can only use that, so I should use a virtual then, right? Virtual. Keep going on the wrong one. Wish I should just switch to a different monitor then. Can I use like mask? I can. Okay, we're in business now. So this thing here is shared with all of them. Like they all have their own mask. Okay. So what are some useful functions that I can have? Masking. That's it pretty much. A growth has a list of growth seeds. This is interesting because I think what I'm doing is working. I'm running processes like in my mind, and it's giving me the right results. It's just like really complicated, but it appears to work. So that's pretty good. Hmm. Grove Circle has a point. Hello, Chili Time. Long time no see. How am I? Pretty good. I'm working on something really complicated though. So it's taking a lot of like processing power. It's not a point, it's a vector. The song it's actually not a song that's released. This is a song from the game. So what I'm currently making, you're hearing the music. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it suits the game really well, like this sort of environment. Like you can play this game and just get lost in the environment, hopefully. Yeah, it's like so nice to. Yeah, I mean it's kind of fun though to listen to this. This might just not be public. I think it's private. Okay, it doesn't work. I need something else, something new. Private. Okay, I'll use that for now. Float X. What I'm doing doesn't work actually. Maybe it does. I'm tempted to call it a day. Like this is our, like it doesn't look like much. Like this is what, 28 lines? Okay, well, less, like 10 lines, 10 lines, 3 lines. But it's actually a lot more work than just that. Like just those 3 files, that's more than 2 months of work, most likely. Obviously, like not everything is written down yet, but like this sort of concept, like the way this works, there's a lot of just ideas that need to be written, like different notes. Like there's a lot of work that goes into thinking about how it works for the system to be like perfect. And it's like yeah, like this is part of the same research that I'm doing. Like this sort of research, like with a one seed, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it's amazing how fast this code is. Wait a second. Oh, already? I'll be right back. No, that was an alarm for my laundry. I didn't want to forget it. Because it sucks when you start your laundry and then it's wet and you forget it into the washing machine. Then you come back to like wet clothes from like a couple hours ago. didn't know there was a bug like that. Well, it's fixed now, but anyway, whatever. Okay, so I actually just got an idea. And then it's been a while since I updated my to-do. Okay, so I'll do that now and then I'll be done for today. To-do. Write a shader that draws filled grove shapes. Actually, that's a bad idea. Yeah, it is. Okay, whatever. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be back tomorrow with more work on this level solver system, which is it's starting to become pretty clear what I'm doing in my mind. It's still gonna be really complicated, but I'm sort of starting to get some clarity, so it's pretty nice. So thanks for watching, and peace. Yeah, don't think all the time about code. Yeah, it's hard though, because code is like something that's alive when you start to think about it. I don't know other real life examples of that type of thing, but like when you're trying to do something, it's like, though I do have ways to get my mind off code, like when I go outside and I listen to, for example, an audiobook, it's really hard to think about code and think about an audiobook. So this is anyway, I like it. Yeah, watching movies helps sometimes, talking to people. Anyway, peace.